Hi everyone, today we're going to learn a new chapter about Unit 7 Study Skills. So please get ready with your textbook and turn to page 56. Okay, please look at this page. There are 5 pictures over here and I'm going to read out the sentences. Please listen carefully. 1. Bob always pays attention in class when the teacher is teaching. 2. Tom usually revises his work at the last minute. 3. Tom often studies near the television. 4. Tom sometimes listens to his favorite music when he studies. 5. Bob often uses thinking maps to help him studies. Next page. Now 6. Okay, pictures number 6. Bob always studies in a cool, quiet and well-lit place. 7. Tom usually lies on his bed when he studies. 8. Bob always goes to bed early. 9. Bob often asks his teacher for help when he does not understand something. 10. Tom often talks to his friend when his teacher is teaching. Now please look at here. Okay, I have listed out all the good study habits of Bob. Okay, now look at 1. Bob always pay attention in class when the teacher is teaching. Okay, pay attention 的意思呢就是专心。然后呢 when the teacher is teaching 老师在上课的时候呢他专心听课。2. Bob often uses thinking maps to help him studies. 意思就是说呢 Bob 呢时常都会画思路图来做笔记啊，帮助他学得更好。好，这些都是好的。3. Bob's always study in a cool, quiet and well-lit place. 意思说呢，他常常呢都在比较安静的地方，然后比较冷的，而且呢凉的，还有呢也比较光线充足的地方读书。Okay, 4. Bob always goes to bed early. 他常常呢都很早就睡觉了，从来不迟睡哈。所以确保有充足的睡眠。Bob often asks his teacher for help when he does not understand something. Means that 他如果不明白的时候呢，他会举手问老师发问以理清他不懂的问题。Okay, how about Tom? Okay, we have bad study habits of Tom. Tom 呢的情况呢就不是那么好了。Okay, 1. Tom usually revises his work at the last minute. 那通常呢都是临时抱佛脚呢，到最后一分钟呢他才复习他的功课。2. Tom often studies near the televisions. 他常常呢都是他常常读书的时候都是靠近电视机，所以很多干扰。3. Tom sometimes listens to his favorite music when he studies. 他常常呢都一面听音乐你看他戴着 headset， 一面听音乐一面读书，那么怎么会专心呢？ 4. Tom usually lies on his bed when he studies. 他常常躺在床上读书。Okay, 5. Tom often talks to his friend when his teacher is teaching. 当他的老师在上课的时候呢，他常常跟左邻右舍讲话。Okay, 看完 Tom 和 Bob 的学习方式以后呢，那我们来看 OK， 我们要尝试一下这个 quiz， 你有没有好的 OK 学习方法？那么准备铅笔 Please look at here. Now I'm going to have a quiz. OK, get ready with your pencils. Do you have good study habits? Try the quiz below to find out. Now, answer always. OK, always 是常常常常都有做到的，几乎每一天 no miss 的，你才可以写 always OK, sometimes 是有时候你有做，有时候没做，可能今天有，明天有，后天又没有，然后又大后天又没有，好了，又在假期又有，或者是一天有一天没有那就是 sometimes OK, never 是从来都没有。OK, 那你要把它 categorize， 哪一些是你常常都做的，每天在做的，然后哪一些是你有时候做，有时候没有做，哪一些是你从来都没有做的。OK, ready? OK, ready? OK, 还没有开始之前我要跟你们讲你们一定要很真心的回答OK, Now, do this sincerely, okay? Now, 1, I pay attention in class when the teacher is teaching, okay? 2, where I do not understand the lesson, I ask the teacher for help. 3, I have a study timetable and I follow it. 4, I study in a quiet place. 5, I turn off my mobile phone when I'm studying. 6, I study a few days before a test. I do not wait until the night before the test to study. 7, before I start studying, I make sure I have everything I need. I do not waste time looking for books, pencils, extra when I'm studying. 8, I study for 30 to 50 minutes and rest for 10 minutes. Okay, now check your score. Okay, give yourself 2 points for each always answers. 如果你每次你有写到 always 你就给2分。1 point for sometimes. 如果你写 sometimes 你给1分。And 0 for never. 如果你从来都没有做你给0分。Okay, 然后 add up your score. 把你所有的分数加起来 and check. Okay, if you got okay, if your range the score 呢是在 between 15 and 60 如果是15、16分的话呢 oh, my study habit are excellent. Okay, you are very good. Okay, 是很好，你有很好的学习的习惯。Okay, if your score is between 11 and 14, my study habits are quite good, but I can make them better. 是比较好，可是还有进步的空间。But if you got the lower one, means 1 and 10, I must improve my study habits. 你就要加把劲在 OK 提升你自己的 study habit. Okay. As for today's homework, you have to write an email. Okay, it's about your cousin wants to know how to improve study skills. Write an email to tell her some useful tips. Okay, I've given you a format here. Okay, is to Sharon. Okay, now please write at least 3 points of good study habits. Okay, we have discussed a lot within the slides. Okay, you can just take some ideas that we learned just now and then put into your email. Okay, at least 3 points. Okay, now dear Sharon, how are you? I'm writing an email to show you or to recommend you some useful tips of study habits. Okay, then you can try to get the idea from the slide. Okay, now complete the homework today. I think that's all for today and thank you.